Welcome back to template tutorials. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful certificate like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. So first of all, we have to change the layout to blank. We have to change it to blank and go to the design tab. So from there, move on to the slide size. Let's customize it to A4. Leave it at the landscape and click on the OK and maximize. Alright, so again, let's move on to the insert tab. We are going to insert a right angle triangle. So I can locate it inside my shapes here. So this is a right angle triangle. I usually have to come and drag to draw. So something like this. After that, I'll remove the outline and right click on it and go to the format shape. So I'll choose the gradient fill. So from the gradient fill, the first color here, I'll click on it and I'll click on this color. The second color, I'll click here and click on this color. The third color, I'll click on it and click on this color. And the last color, I'll click on it and click on and choose this color for the one that we choose earlier on. Alright, so after that, I can decide to move on to the direction side and choose the direction of where the gradient should be. So I can easily choose this one. Alright, so after that, I easily have to come and gently place it, rotate it this way, possibly, and gently place it at the top there. Let me close in this one a little bit. Alright, so after that, I can just press and hold my control key and drag to duplicate. So I can rotate it like this and place it at the top right corner. And again, duplicate it here. Do the same thing applies here. Position it here. And lastly, I can duplicate it to the right side also. So I can also position it here. Alright, so the next thing again that I would like to do is to go back to the insert tab and go back to the shapes. So I'm going to insert a straight line. So I easily have to just come in here and draw my straight line like this. Alright, so after drawing my straight line, once again that I would like to do is to increase the width of the straight line. So I can find the properties at the right side of my screen here. So we have it here, not under the fill, but under the line. So the width that is here, so we can change it to 2. And even the color, I can change it to this color. So after that, I can easily decide to duplicate it. If I just hold the control key to duplicate again, I can bring it to this side. And again, duplicate it to the top there. So I can use my arrow key to bring it closer. So there again, I'll duplicate this one to the left side. Alright, so we are done with this aspect. So what again that I would like to do is to go back to the insert tab. I'm going to insert a rectangle again. So it is here. So I easily have to come and draw my rectangle like this. Alright, so after that I have to place it in the center. So let's give it no fill. Okay, the properties has already appeared here. Let's choose no fill. And about the outline, let's increase the outline a little bit. So the width is 1. So possibly I'm going to do it 2. And the color, I'll choose this color here. I'm trying to place it at the center. I think this way is okay for it to be at the center. Alright, but if you want, you can increase the width of it. Alright, so once again that I would like to do there is, okay, sorry, let's change this one back. I made a mistake, sorry. So let's remove this one and duplicate this one again. But this time I'll give it no fill and choose the solid color for the outline. So let me reduce it a little bit. I can reduce here also. Alright, so it's at the middle. Let's close it in here a little bit like this. Okay, I think this way is okay for us. So one thing again that I would like us to do is to go back to the Insert tab and stretch a straight line. So I just have to come here and draw my straight line. So I can draw it here. So the width of it, I'll send it to 2. And the color of it, I'll choose this color that we'll be choosing. So there, I'll duplicate this one here. And again, I'll duplicate this one also at the top there. And send this one to this side. Alright, so let's do the same thing here by duplicating this one to the bottom. Alright, so one thing again that I would like us to do is to go back to the Insert tab again. Locate the shapes here. We are going to draw a small straight line here. So I'm zooming it in. We'll draw a straight line from here down here. So the width of it, let's give that one also 2. And the color, we'll choose this color. So again, let's duplicate this one and bring it to this side. So after I will rotate it this way. Alright, so I can easily use my arrow key to shift it. Something like this. Alright, so I think it's fit this way. So let's duplicate this one to the right side. This way. I can easily place it here. And go again and duplicate the one here. This one. To the right side also. Alright, so let me make sure that this one will be joined to it. Alright, so let's take this one also and duplicate it to the bottom. Let's go to the top again and take this one and duplicate it there. Alright, so let me push this one also a little bit. I'm using my arrow keys to push it, if in case you don't know. Alright, so let me make sure this one will also be joined to it. Push this one also. Alright, so let's do the same thing applies to the other side by duplicating the two of it to that side. Alright, so by taking the first one, it will come here, and the second one, which is this one, will come somewhere around here. So I'm using my arrow keys again to put to position it. Alright, so let me make sure this one also will be joined. Alright, so I think this way is okay and fit. Alright, so the next thing again that I would like us to do is to insert a text box. So we can find the text box by going to the insert tab, locate the text box here. So I just have to come and click anywhere to be inserted. But if I click here, it will be the best choice. So inside the text box here, I'm going to insert a text called certificate. Alright, so let's format this text. So I'm choosing the Algerian as the font, and the size of it, I'll go with 48, and the color, I'll choose this color. So let's align it to the center. Alright, so again, let's duplicate this one here. But this time around, let's change the font to this one. And the size, let's make it 20. And the color, let's choose color black. So the text that we want to insert there, it will be the employee of the year. So I'll gently place it here. And again, go to the insert tab and draw a straight line from here to this side. And I'll give it a width of 2. And also the color, I'll choose this color. And duplicate this one at the bottom of the employee. Alright, so I'll again take the employee of the year. I'll be duplicating it at the bottom of it here. So I'll easily select it this way, and I'm going to change the text inside there to this certificate is proudly presented to. So let's change the font of it by going to the home tab. I'm going to change the font size to 16. Okay, let's make it 18. So I'll gently place it here, and again duplicate this one here, select all of it, change the font of it to Edwardian script, and the size, I'll make it 16. And the text inside there, I'm going to change it to name, say name. Let's select it and make it bold. Alright, so let's take this one also and duplicate it here. So I'll just edit the text in there. Alright, so for your exceptional performance this year in appreciation for your loyalty and achieving company goals. But if you're also having any different description, you can place it over there. Alright, so I gently have to place it at the middle here. Alright, so I'll not stop there. I'll take this line again, duplicate it to this side, and increase the length of it. Alright, so again, let's duplicate this one, this text. We can easily duplicate it here and change the font of it and everything inside there. This one also, oops, I forgot, we are supposed to make it 16. Alright, so this one, let's type something like name, say name. Let's change the font size of it to 16. Let's duplicate it here, and this one also, let's change the text inside there to vice president. So I'll make that one bold. Let's change it to caps. Let me remove the bold. Alright, so I'll gently duplicate this one, the two of it to the right side, and I'll change the text here to manager. And this one I'll duplicate it here. So on top of it, that's where the signature has to be placed in on. So I'll duplicate that one also here. Alright, so the next thing again that I would like us to do is to insert a medal, and I have the medal inside my device, so I easily have to go to the insert tab, go and click on the picture. As I told you earlier on, it's inside my device, so I'll click this device. So I have my medal here. I easily have to click on it and click on insert it to be inserted inside our work. Alright, so after as it's done this way, you can easily reduce the size. Alright, so I think this is okay for me. Alright, so from there I can take this one, this one, this one, this one, and bring it to the bottom a little bit. Oops. Alright, so as you can see, everything is fit and done. So thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.